Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve data on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve data on CapCut, you should just go to settings. After that you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about CapCut and you can click in this list. After that, in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to your storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.